Hello, little artists. Welcome back to MR.PAINTER. Today, we're going to color a super cute winter boy. He's wearing a cozy red hat, a blue coat, orange pants, and warm brown boots. Ready? Let's start coloring together. Time to color his pants. I'm using a nice orange. It's so bright and cheerful. He's almost ready to go outside and play. Don't forget like my video and subscribe my channel. Now let's move to his winter hat. It's red with an orange puffball on top. How fun! I'm also coloring his gloves red to match the hat. He looks ready for snow. What do you want to draw? Let me know in the comments. Color his cute little face. I'm using a light peach color for his skin. He has a big smile. He looks so happy. Now let's add some brown to his hair. Just a little swoosh in the front. Nice. His warm winter coat. I'm using a bright blue. It looks so soft and cozy. And don't forget the orange buttons. love drawing. What about you, my friend? Do you love drawing? His boots. I'm coloring them dark brown. They look strong and warm, perfect for jumping in the snow. Doesn't he look adorable? Great job coloring today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun with Mr. Painter. Bye-bye, little artists.